FULANG Machine, professional block machine supplier. We can supply fully automatic concrete block machine, simple block making machine, mobile block making machine, soil interlocking brick making machine, paver making machine, etc. Located in Linyi City, Shandong Province, China, as one of construction material machine provider in Shandong. We have built long-term cooperative relations with domestic famous scientific research institutes, colleges and universities which owning a research and development team of 26 people, more than 100,000 square meters of technical research center, and a variety of complete facilities. FULANG Machine has always been adhering to the business philosophy of independent innovation and development. Strive to produce high-quality products of energy-saving and environment-friendly. Has now developed more than 30 kinds of block-making machines, widely used in a variety raw material of clay, coal gang, fly ash, river silt, concrete, sand, cement, construction waste, etc. Production of hollow block, solid block, paver, curbstone, interlocking brick, and other products. With broad domestic and international sales network and good after-sales services, FULANG brand machines sell well in whole national-wide and exported to more than 100 countries and regions all over the world. Gained our reputation in both domestic and international market. Sincerely welcome you to visit our company and investigate on site. Looking forward to establish long-term trade relations of cooperation. Mutual reciprocity and mutual benefit are our goal, and together we will build a brighter future.